good day, Miss Angeline. Can you tell me about yourself?
Good day, ma'am. My name is Angeline J. Palidino. I am 35 years old, married. I have 2 kids. The older is 14 years old and the youngest is 8 years old. I am undergraduate of college level for nursing for 2 years. I stopped for third year college because of it due to financial situation. I live in Morong Rizal. I have 2 sisters. I am the one.
Alright. Then, how would you describe yourself?
I am cheerful. I am hardworking and trustworthy. I love to learn new things.
Okay.
And I follow the employer's instruction.
Okay. Then, why do you want to apply abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to support my family financially and I want to save money for the future of my children.
Do you have any work experience abroad?
I have work experience in Qatar for taking care of 5 years old baby girl. There are 3 members of the family, 1 couple and 5 years old baby. My duties and responsibilities there is ironing, washing, taking care also for baby.
Okay. Then, are you willing to take care of small children, newborn baby, or elderly person abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I am so much willing.
How would you take care of naughty children and children with temper tantrums?
I stay calm and I am trying to convince the children.
Then, how about if the newborn baby is crying at night?
I will check the temperature for the baby if the baby is sick, and I will check the diaper if the diaper is full, and I will change it.
Okay. Then, what will you do if you become homesick?
I will make myself busier and I will be more attentive.
Okay. Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of pets, even big dogs?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you describe your cooking skills?
I know how to cook Filipino dishes, and I much learned how to cook the Chinese food.
Okay. Do you have any food allergy?
No, ma'am.
Do you eat everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the full consent of your family to go and work abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise not to use your cell phone during working hours?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you promise to be honest and loyal to your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the physical energy to keep up with the children?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol?
No, ma'am.
How about smoking?
No, ma'am.
Do you have any body tattoo?
Nothing, ma'am.
Do you have any history of surgery or serious sickness in the past?
Nothing, ma'am.
Are you willing to share a room with the children or elderly persons?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to wake up very early in the morning and sleep late at night?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work during day off and employer will pay you overtime?
Yes, ma'am.
And for the last question, what is your final message to your future employer abroad?
Good day, ma'am. I am Angeline J. Palidino. If you choose me, I promise to myself that I will give in my best to do my duties and responsibility, and I will promise to myself that I will treat your family like my own, and I will taking care so much of your children. Thank you.